Good afternoon, welcome. This is Jamb year 2012 government pass question. Question number 40, and the question here says military intervention in Nigeria arose from dash. Military intervention in Nigeria arose from dash. A. Perceived incapability of civilians to govern. B. International prayer for change. C. The desire for a military government. D. Civilians' desire to relinquish power. The question is talking of why military involved in politics. So, and the reason is that it is perceived that there's incapability of civilians to govern the country. So that is why. So option A is correct. Thank you, and kindly ensure you subscribe for more videos.